Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris, all my little nieces and nephews, and guess what? I'm on my way to the food pantry. So, I won't be able to film everything, but at least I'm going to let you see how I go about it, as much as I can film. And what I get. I'm going to show you the haul I get from there, my food pantry haul. And I'm also going to show you what you can make with the food you get from there, okay? All right, here we go. Hey guys, all right. We're about to pull up to the food pantry. It is a cold day today in the Chi. Wow! But at least the sun is out and it's shining. Yes, yes, yes. I hope y'all can hear me over the heater blowing here. So I'm about to pull up. Of course, I'm going to have to edit some things out because I cannot put certain things in the video. Privacy issues, you know. All right. Here we go.
Right here with you. Food, put it here.
You can, sir. Okay. Whatever's convenient for you guys.
Dried beans, split peas, that kind of stuff. You want that?
Oh, yes. Thank you.
And grits, then?
Yep. Oh, yes. Definitely.
I think you're good with us, okay?
All right. Thank you so much. Take care.
All right.
All right, guys and gals, my nieces and nephews, we did pretty good. We're on our way back to Uncle Chris's house, and the Uncle Chris Pantry Chef Kitchen. Let's see what we get when I get back, okay? All right. All right, I am back from the food pantry, you all, and we're going to start from left to right. Okay, look what we got here. Bakery goods. These are, I don't know how you pronounce that, but they're stuffed with blueberry. They're like not croissants. They're little pastry stuffed with blueberry, which is lovely. Then we got some bread, assorted buns. These make great sandwiches, or you can turn these into stuffing. I can show you how to do that. Now, let's not even talk. We got some navy beans, we got some pinto beans, and we got some split pea, the yellow ones. You can make yellow split pea soup out of this, or if you get the green ones, of course, split pea soup is green. Now, you know, with these navy beans, I'm gonna have a soul food night, or these pinto beans, yes I am. Moving on, let me just put this here. I got some grits. Oh yeah. A whole chicken. So we could do a rotisserie chicken. In this bag here, these are mini. This is hard to do with one hand and hold the camera. This is mini orange juices. Look at that. Great for breakfast. Oh my goodness, look at this. Alaskan pollock fish fillets. I know how to make the McDonald's fish fillet sandwich, and I can show you how to do that. Of course, we got some strawberry jelly. Cereal, the knockoff for breakfast. These taste great, actually. And I'm going to show you something about a dessert you can make with those, too, if you want. Ground turkey, some turkey burgers, or turkey meatloaf, or turkey spaghetti. Now, I got some raisins, which means bread pudding, or different type of salads I can make. Now you know I'm gonna make some off-the-chain macaroni and cheese. Yes, the stuffing mix, I may or may not use this because this has a lot of salt. So, you know, Uncle Chris is all about low sodium because that's to save your life. Now, we're not going to play. All right. Oh, let's see. Oh, we got another thing of ground beef. Put that by the ground turkey. There we go. Get a good shot of that. You get a lot of meat from there. Oh, some nice thin pork chops. Spaghetti sauce, mixed vegetables, salt and pepper. Tomato soup, you know, endless possibilities with this. Chicken salad, I'm gonna make with this white chicken. Yes. Cheese, oh, cheese, yes. What, anybody know about this cheese? If you know what I'm talking about. All right, this makes the best mac and cheese. Got some spaghetti, of course. Some of that. Turn it upside down. Lord have mercy. Yep, spaghetti noodles. Now, I do not personally do the dry milk because I don't like the taste. But I have people that do, and I'm going to give it to them. I never waste food. We don't do that, okay? We got some mixed fruit in the can. Oh, heart-healthy cream of chicken soup, which is very low in sodium. Hold on, let me get this in focus. How much is the sodium? Let's find. Oh, there it is. 410 milligrams. But remember, it is per serving. There's 2.5 servings in here. But that's way less than what comes in the regular. Already got the spaghetti sauce. Oh, got some corn. And look at that. No salt, y'all. Some cut green beans. Soul food night. Some chili burgers, chili dogs. Oh yes. Now people, look, check this out. Beef in a can. You can make casseroles with this stuff. I'm telling you now. Don't add some barbecue sauce to this. You got some killer sloppy joes. More cut green beans. Ooh, I can make a mini peach cobbler. Or freeze these and you can make some smoothies. We have some baked beans. Yes. And last but not least, peanut butter. And I love peanut butter because I'm going to tell you something. Look, I use this to make icing for a cake. Yes, I'm going to show you about that. When you have cake mix and you don't have icing, take some peanut butter and some honey, and I'm going to show you how you make a true gooey peanut butter cake. All right. Ooh, some more tomato soup. So, let me pull back and give us a nice grand panning. Oh, they also gave some toiletries, some hand soap, toilet paper. You always need that. Yes. So is it worth going to the food pantry? Yes, it is, my nieces and nephews. Okay? Now, next video, I'm going to show you what I do with these things, especially these dried beans. These are just essential. Okay? What to do with this fish? Absolutely. Rotisserie, this chicken. We're going to have stuffed chicken, stuffing, a whole nice meal. Okay? Yes. Okay, until next time, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you got any questions about food and sauces, ask me. I'll show you how to make it. I'll make a video for you, okay? If you don't know how to make something, just ask Uncle Chris, and I will definitely show you. All right? Until next time, bye-bye.